tradition doesn't stop. Mixing with the ladies fair, being charming, debonair. The game will reign supreme, and no one can deny. They'll make them history, and always have another fight. So join in the jubilee. The cats are great, they'll all agree. Combine in each calamity, the cat's superiority. Heathcliff, no one should terrify their neighborhood, but Heathcliff just won't be undone. You should realize he can win it with you.
Bored. No Iggy to play with, nothing good to eat. I have had enough.
Ah! Heathcliff! Are you messing with those mice again? Stop it!
Poor Heathcliff. With Iggy away at Aunt Irma's, he's got nobody to play with. He's getting cabin fever.
No, Grandma, I am getting cabin fever. And if I come down with a bad case of cabin fever, it's all his fault.
Well, you know what you need to do, Grandpa. You need to get out.
Out? In this?
Besides, there's something we need from the store.
Eh?
Cat food. We're out of cat food. If he had a big meal, then maybe he would settle down.
I'll make sure he settles down. Ah!
He's on a rampage tonight. This could go on for hours.
Heathcliff!
Get him some food, quick.
I can't take any more of this.
I know, dear.
And I've got to walk, too. Impossible to drive a car in this snow.
I know, dear.
Drat, I just ruined my hat.
Well, as long as you're in the store anyway, dear, get yourself a new hat.
Well, if he's not happy after this, I'll throw him outside in the cold.
Yes, dear.
Throw him out in the cold, huh? It's a winter wonderland out there. And you get to play in it. Yes, folks, we've just created a new winter sport.
Winter sport, huh? We'll see who's a sport.
Well, this is only the beginning, folks, for the fabulous new winter game, Rat Race.
Heathcliff, shut that window. Now you behave yourself, Heathcliff.
Brave, hardy, mousy mountaineers. Will they survive the hazards of avalanche?
Revenge! Let's see. The snowman! I've got it!
Now close that window.
Sorry, you guys, but Grandma said.
Whoa! Look who we found!
Huh?
Yippee! I got her!
There's some kind of mouse trick, no doubt.
Oh, Heathcliff, help me. Better check it out, Mr. Hero Cat.
Oh, Sonia? Whatever it is, that mouse is getting on my nerves.
Stop these awful mice, Heathcliff. Help me, please.
I'm gonna put a stop to this. Sonia!
Heathcliff, I told you about this window. Naughty boy, where are you? Ashamed, are you? Hiding from me? Well, this is the last time.
Abominable snow mice.
Now maybe I can relax.
Open up! Let me in!
Party time! What's this? A popcorn blizzard.
Let me in! It's cold out here!
Look, he's getting hot under the collar.
Open up this window!
Sorry, Guy. Remember what Grandma said.
What are you laughing at? That's more like it, chum. You let me in now!
Marcia, what's that terrible noise?
It's only the wind, John. I tell you, you're hearing things again.
Look at that form. Poetry in motion. Perfection on ice. Whoa, whoa. Hot chocolate? Don't mind if I do. Marshmallow? Cheese. Mmm, delicious. So warm and cozy here. To the sweet life. Let's watch the news.
Citizens are warned to be on the alert. At this moment, police are in pursuit of the infamous ski mask fugitive. This man is desperate. Consider him dangerous. The ski mask fugitive is expected to break into unsuspecting homes, seeking shelter from the blizzard and the police.
He is desperate. He is dangerous. Just wait until I... What? Huh? That's the guy on TV. Trying to break in, huh? Well, if I can't get in, then he can't get in. So you call that a disguise, huh? I'll give you a disguise.
Heathcliff! Grandpa!
Cat food. All that for cat food.
Poor dear. Heathcliff didn't know it was you.
Close that front door, Grandma. I'm cold. And lock it, too. I heard the police are chasing a fugitive.
Let me in, lady. The cops are after me. Hurry, lady. Out of my way.
Oh, dear me.
Ow, my leg. What? My foot. Yow!
It's him, all right. You're under arrest.
Yes, please take me. Get me out of here.
Well, I guess our Heathcliff is a pretty good cat to have around after all.
You're awfully good to brave this storm and go buy cat food.
Well, he got what he wanted. I guess we won't have to worry about him for a while.
Wanna bet?
Well, as you can tell by the crowd's reaction, the Sheik's plane has just touched down. These people are really excited to get their first look at Cerulean royalty. Oh, I think the plane door is about to open. And here comes Sheik Ali Bamboobala now, followed by several of his beautiful wives. The crowd really loves it. The Sheik, as always, is followed by his cat Orville, another real crowd pleaser.
What a hunk.
You gotta be kidding.
Your problem is that you don't know a romantic person when you see him.
Hey, I look in the mirror every day. Come on, Cleo. Let's get out of here.
Isn't he wonderful?
Hey, I said we're going. That means with or without you.
Rain? No, I don't think so.
Hey, give me a call when you get back to Earth.
I want you to get that girl for me.
Do you believe this? She hasn't said a word in 3 hours.
Yeah, maybe she's sick.
Yeah, wounded is more like it by one of Cupid's little arrows.
Grrr. Cleo's my girl, right?
I just meant that,
I know what you meant, and you're wrong.
The person who decorated this place should be buried up to his nose in an anthill.
Listen, you walking pillowcase. Don't come around here and insult me or my friends.
Riff Raff, you can't talk to Orville like that.
Do not be dismayed, my dear. He, like his surroundings, lacks class. Besides, it is not this ruffian I have come to see.
Let me at him.
It is you, my desert flower.
That's it, pal. You just went one step too far. Get him, boys.
You are making big mistake. Now, if you'll excuse us, my dear.
Whoa, 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 1, 2, 3. Well, have they had enough yet?
I apologize for the display of violence, but unfortunately it was necessary.
You don't have to apologize. And if you don't mind, I think I'd like to go now.
My car awaits.
Don't think you're gonna get away with this.
Yeah, I think they just did.
This is incredible.
Ah, you like economy cars.
Oh, this is such a wonderful day. I wish it would never end.
Heh, precisely what I had in mind. The Sheik's plane is fueled and ready to go. We are returning to our country tonight. You will go with us.
Oh, that's a really nice invitation. But I couldn't leave Riff Raff. I just wanted to teach him a lesson.
It wasn't an invitation, but an order. You will go with us.
Look, nobody tells me what...
Seize her.
Hey! What are you doing? Riff Raff was right about you. You're nothing but a big phony, and you'll never get away with this.
Don't be so sure about that. I always get what I want. To the airport.
And if she thinks she's gonna come running back to me...
It seems real clear. This is something you should hear.
To repeat the top story of the hour, in a surprising move, Sheik Ali Ben Boubala announced he and his entourage will be flying home tonight.
So, what does that have to do with me?
How can you sit when Cleo might split?
I don't care. As a matter of fact, I don't care so much, we're just gonna take a run down to that airport to show her how much I don't care.
Let go of me!
Hey, boss. I don't think she wants to go.
No kidding.
What do we do? The plan's up to you.
Just follow my lead. Got it? Made it.
Now what do we do, boss?
We gotta get to Cleo and quick. And I think I know just how we'll do it.
As soon as we get back to my country, you will be given the distinct honor of becoming my 21st wife.
No way, Jose.
You will change your mind. I will see to that.
Don't hold your breath.
Well, it's about time. Now straighten up this room and be quick about it. Stop that, you fools, and put those brooms down immediately. Ouch! I'll see that you are punished for this.
Maybe some juice would cool you off, sire.
Yes, give it to me.
With pleasure.
Riff Raff, it's you!
You were expecting maybe Lawrence of Arabia? Now let's get out of here.
I'll have your heads for this. Guards! Guards! There are intruders on this plane. Find them at once and bring them to me. Check everything. They couldn't have gotten too far.
Ouch! Hiya. Oh, boss.
Get 'em, boys.
With a 1, 2, 3, just send them to me.
Seize them.
Round and round they go. Where they stop, I'll bet I know.
Now I've got you.
I'm shaking in my sheets.
Oh, Riff Raff, you were wonderful.
That's all great, but we still got one problem. How do we get off this plane?
Just follow me.
I'm not going without you.
Don't worry. I'm sure the boys will find some more chutes.
Yep, 2 more and that's it.
I know they're in there.
Well, it's time for you to go.
Stop them.
This is ground control to Sheik Babola's plane. You have an open cargo door. Please return to the airport at once. Thank you.
Roger, ground control. We'll change course and return immediately.
I guess your little game is up.
I'm scared out of my boots, because there ain't no more shoes.
Hector, Wordsworth, Bungo, where are you guys?
Yeah, we're up here, boss. Everything's fine.
That's a matter of opinion.
That'll be all for now. Well, now, isn't this as good as anything that creep Orville could give you?
No.
What are you talking about?
Being with you makes it a whole lot better.
Believe it or not, you can teach your cat to come when you want. I'm gonna show you how. Your basic cat, your basic treat. Put your cat at the other end of the room, point at the cat, stand at a place in front of your feet, and say in a loud, clear voice, come, come, come. Good, Mungo. Now we'll do it again and again until you get it right. Come. Good boy, Mungo. You're learning faster than Lassie.
Heathcliff, Heathcliff, no one should terrify their neighborhood. But Heathcliff just won't be undone, playing pranks on everyone. The gang will reign supreme, and no one can deny. They'll make them history, and always have an alibi. So join in the jubilee. The cats are great, they'll all agree. But Heathcliff just won't be undone. You should realize he can win it with you.
Cookie jar!